Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life, as by the obstacles which he has overcome. Booker T. Washington. Hello, my name is Stefano, Barone, and I go to St. Francis High School. I'm currently working at Gustav A. Larson in the warehouse department. I joined the GPS Ed program because I didn't do too well in the traditional schooling system. The classroom achievement I am most proud of is achieving my OSHA 10 certification. This certification will be extremely useful, and I can apply it into any career pathway I may choose. A skill I earned while in the GPS Ed program was the ability to drive a forklift. Also, when I first joined the GPS Ed program, my main goal was to get into the trades of carpentry or electrical. In the beginning, I was unsure of how I would go about my schooling, but after working at Galco for a few months now and talking with other employees, I have come to understand that I can get my schooling paid for by joining a union. What makes me different from a traditional high school student is that over the past year I have acquired numerous skills and certifications that will help me later in life, such as OSHA 10, OSHA First Aid, and MSSC Safety. I also have the ability to work during the day and gain valuable employability skills. Lastly, I discovered what I am passionate about, and the path to get there has many routes, which I am pleased to know now instead of 20 years down the line. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all the people that have helped me get here along the way, including but not limited to my instructors, Rocio and Pierre, my mom, my unpaid Uber ride for all the rides and motivation throughout the way. Finally, joining GPS Ed has put me back on to the right side of the road, and I'm taking this road all the way to the top. Thank you to Galco and St. Francis High School for giving me the chance to support my career pathway in manufacturing. There was just